Wednesday, June 25th, and I got out to the shop here, and Dad had already finished for the day, but he's done more taping off of the windows here. He's got no excuses why he shouldn't be able to start doing his painting here very soon. So all sides are taped off now. And then I think he's got to do one more coat of primer here. And then he's got those done. But he's working on some airboats right now, kind of an emergency job for another customer. But that is the quick short update. I am definitely combining this video in with another video. But I'm taking off for 5 days. And I'm going to go drink some rum. Thursday, June 26th, and when I rolled into the yard, Dad was doing a little light work here on the Bombardier Muskeg tractor, the 1974, same as the one we got in the shop. I think ours is actually 1 year older. Now Dad switched over to doing some airboat repair here. He's got, I think, a ducks helper helping him out, and can't really see. Where's that Aiden? Can't tell. Anyways, they doing some work here on the engine, I noticed. And so they're jumping around on two different machines. And it's a humid, hot day. And they got quite a bit of work done here during this period. And I know that we got one of the customers is coming out to look at his Bombardier tomorrow for the progress. Dad has some progress questions for him. If the guy wants to quit, he can, and then we'll focus in our attention into the two Bombardier Muskeg tractors. I got to go down to the highway to pick up a rad at West End Rad, and I'm going to take the weekend off from here and do a little rum drinking. I think we've had a hectic enough spring and early summer so far that I think I've earned a weekend off, having not taken a weekend off in a long time. But they're gonna focus in on this Muskeg tractor this weekend, and also the airboats. And then they got that airboat they gotta do repairs on, and then there's another one over here that they gotta do some work on. So, and then they got another one parked around the corner over here. So you got 3 airboats in the yard, and they got to get these things operational so they can get them down the riverbank, or the river, so they can start using them. And I think what they're doing right now is they're changing out a water pump or something, if I remember correctly. I think that's what has to be done on this one to get it operational. And so Dad's giving some light direction here to his young helper, because it's too hard for Dad to climb in and out of those boats. So he's telling him what to do and how to do it, and that keeps Dad mobile and whatnot. And so yeah, between these two machines and the airboats and what's in the shop, it's going to be a busy weekend here for Dad.